Hey FunXcies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make hot glue gun. Yes guys, a miniature hot glue gun, because this is one of the most main things which I used while I make the miniature creations. So today I decided, why not, let's make this also into a mini version, and I was getting a lot of requests also. So today I decided that yes, I'm gonna make this. So let's get started. Okay, so now for this, of course the base will be of cardboard, so I've taken brown cardboard and I'll start tracing out the design of this hot glue gun. So you can see how tiny this is, right? And it looks very cute right now. So now I'll take my scissors and cut this out. So this is what it looks like. So guys, I'll trace this on more cardboards and some card papers as well, and then I'll start sticking these layers on top of each other just to make it thick. So guys, you don't have to take any thick cardboards or any thick sunboards, because that is very tough to cut, but you can use this way and create the most thick and beautiful hot glue gun ever. After doing that, I'll stick these card papers on each of the sides just to make it look very smooth. Okay guys, so once this is done, as you can see, I'll take my sandpaper and I'll scrub off the edges just to make the edges look even smooth and just to give the perfect work base. After doing that, I'll take this white card paper and I'll start sticking it on this cardboard area just to cover it. So I'll just do this over to the hot glue gun, and once I'm done with that, I'll take this rounder and I'll just make a hole throughout this and a hole over here as well. Then little bit holes on each of the sides in the front area. Then I'll just mark some holes over here, and once this is done guys, I've taken these two cardboard cutouts, and now what I'll do is that these are into this shape. I'll just use my glue and I'll stick these two so that it can give me a little bit thick one, and once that is done, I'll stick it over here. So this will be the hot glue gun trigger, and once this is done, I'll take this, you can see this is a white card paper stripe, and I'll use this by, I'm just using the glue first, and after doing that, I'll make this ring. So these two rings are now ready, and now I'll stick it over here on the back side. So this will be the glue stick holder, and then over here as well on the front area, I'll just stick this one too. Okay, so once this is done, as you can see, I've taken this shiny silver paper and I'll just use this here to make the coiling. Once it's done, I'll take out the craft wire and keep it aside. Then this is what it looks like. I'll make a cone. So after making this cone, I'll just cut it off. So this is what I get. So this will be the first part of the hot glue gun. And after just doing that, I'll now stick it over here. So now after sticking that craft paper stripe, which I'm gonna stick it over here. Once this is done, you can see this is the craft wire, and this is an old headphone which I found in my house. I'll just cut it out. So this will be the wire connecting it to the socket. Once that is done, I'll just take this craft wire and I'll start rolling this white paper on top of it. So once I get this thick coiling, I'll just keep aside the craft wire and then I'll just stick it over here. Okay, so this is what I get, and after making this, I'll just punch it and it will look something like this. Once that is done, I'll stick this to the wire and ta-da! The The plug will be now ready. Okay, so now I'll stick these two craft wires, and this is the completed look, guys. So now I'll stick it over here just to attach the hot glue gun with this wire. And after it's done, you can see this is what it looks like. And now I'll just take my pliers and use this craft wire again and fold it into the handle, which can easily stand. So this is basically a craft wire stand for the hot glue gun. And you can see this is the cutout of a cut paper, and I'll stick that over here. It's a little thick cut paper, and that will be stuck over here just to give the shapes and the highlights on the hot glue gun. So once that is done, just to make it look more real, I've done this, and after it's done, guys, this is what it looks like. So you can see on each of the sides is this. After that, let's start painting. So of course, this is a very mini version of the real hot glue guns. So I'm gonna paint this into a bright pink color, so that my Barbie can play with it. And after painting that, I'll paint this part with black acrylic paint. This part will be black as well, this ring which I started. After that, the ring in the front, and then the plug, of course. Alright, so now I'll stick this craft wire, and it already has holes, so I'll just punch it inside the hole, and that's it. You don't have to stick it, guys, you just have to punch it inside so that it can hold its place, and then it will be ready. So this is how the stand looks right now. Then this is a plastic straw which you can easily find. If you don't have this, you can just use the alternative that you can use white plain paper and make it into a coiling and then attach it just for the glue stick, or you can use, of course, the plastic straw. It's very easy. So ta-da, this is the final look, and I wrote FunX on top of it just to make it more beautiful. And this is what it looks like, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.